Hey guys, messy hair, van hair. I guess I don't care. I mean, I was out in the wind. Ran into the Walmart, into the storm. I ran into the Walmart and I got back in the van, and it was worse than this even. I tried to fix it a little bit before the video, but it's so messed up it's not happening. But have y'all ever heard of the calm before the storm? Well, it's been all day. It has been cloudy, very windy, and it started to rain a little while ago, and we had some little bitty hail hitting my windshield. Not just my windshield, but you know. But I'm going to turn this around, and you tell me what you think. Does it look like there's a storm out there? Watch. Well, according to the radar, the bad stuff is just barely coming to where I'm at. It's not supposed to have any tornadoes. This is going to be severe thunderstorms with small hail. But we all know how that goes. Sometimes you get some bad storms out of those. But I'm putting my faith in God, and I believe it's all going to be good. It's all going to be good. I'm in a safe place. I parked, as you noticed, away from the gas pumps. Because if lightning strikes a gas pump, I don't want to be by that. I may still even be a little too close. I don't know. But at least I'm not right on it. So, I had a question. I was trying to Google it and find out, but I don't know. They say you're safe in your vehicle, not because the tires, that might help ground a little bit, but that's not what's protecting you. What protects you is the metal around and the metal roof. Well, I started thinking, I don't have a metal roof anymore. I have a fiberglass high top. I wonder if I climb out of my van and get under my van. Nah, that's not going to work because I won't be grounded. But anyways, like I said, I'm trusting God. All is going to be good. It's going to be just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post this video up too. Again, no editing whatsoever. It is what it is, y'all. This is real van life. What do you do when you run into tornadoes, severe thunderstorms, hail? What do you do when you're traveling in your van or your car? What do you do? Y'all comment down below and let me know what you do, or what you think we should do, what I should do, what you would do. Let me know, because I'm learning here. I think I'm doing good, but I don't know. Where I was, I checked on the radar, and it was going to be worse where I stayed at the Loves last night. So I'm checking the radar, looking on the map, and this little town here was the little town in between all of that bad stuff. It was still showing that it was going to get thunderstorms and hail, like I was saying. But all the bad stuff was going to be around it, not here. It was 12 miles away, and it was backtracking, but I didn't care. So I backtracked it back over to here, and this is where I'm staying put until, it all clears up. So I'm going to let you go. I will keep you updated. And nope, I have not chased any storms. I'm not going to either. Oh, okay. Yeah, no. So remember, you guys, you are wonderfully and awesomely made. And God bless. And I'll see y'all in a bit. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to all. So you can follow me on this tipsy-turvy, stormy journey, y'all. Okay, guys. I want to let you go because these people is walking by and looking at me like, who the heck is she talking to? Okay, bye-bye. God bless. See you in a bit.